What's up, everybody? So we were out just trying to enjoy our day, a little off-roading. Wasn't even gonna film, but then got a call from a buddy for a couple Jeeps off the road on the main Forest Service road. So we whipped around, we're gonna pop them out. And then we got a call at the same time on the way to these Jeeps for another off-road recovery. So gonna pop them out as quick as we can and then get to the other one and get them out. All right, so the first one
out of the way
is, he's not over the bank too bad, but I'm 90 degrees across the road in case his back end slides down. It'll be okay. And the next one is down there, a little worse. So this one's just single line. Next one will snatch block.
Thanks for coming out.
No problem. Let's see where he wants to go. You might want to double back even.
And then put it in first gear, but no gas, no brakes.
Okay.
So,
just
then,
sit there. Okay, stay first gear?
Until you're on the road and then hit the brakes.
Single line over?
Yeah, this one will single, that one will snatch.
And passenger?
You got
yeah,
a camera?
for a better
You
angle.
take pictures of your dad getting towed out. This is dad teaching me how to drive. First time. Okay, you want to move out of the way, bud. Yeah, out of the way.
I can't see his wheels, so
Uh,
turn this way, I think.
Driver?
Turn that way.
Driver? Yeah.
Is it running?
Oh, tell him to turn it on, yeah.
Turn it on.
Oh. There we go.
And 4 low.
Put it in 4 low.
No wheel spin.
That's better.
Yeah. No, slow.
Don't spin the tires. Don't put on the gas.
No. There you go. All right, slow. Okay.
Stop. Put on the brake. Put it in park.
Yeah, you're good. You can even put your fronts in them if you want.
Hang on.
Okay, now hard passenger.
Okay, steer this way. My way, steer.
Turn that way.
Perfect.
Just get him to stop there and then we'll switch to this side.
Okay, stop for a sec.
Put it in park, please. In park.
In park.
Okay. Good. He knows his stuff.
Yeah, it's this one.
Yeah. Oh, he's in a wheelchair.
Oh,
Yeah.
he's the one. Remember, I told you he was in a wheelchair. He's the one.
All right, almost back on the road, little reposition. Get him pointing downhill.
So forward, 4 low. Try not to spin as slow as you can.
No gas.
He'll do all the work.
Actually, just hold the brake.
Hold the brake.
Yeah. Okay, turn all the way that way. 1 sec.
Another call.
Hello. Okay, foot off the brake a little bit. Yeah.
Oh.
And then you'll go back on the road. Yeah. Hold there.
Good.
Okay, and then
You're
on
welcome.
hook now, so just back into the ruts real slow.
Right, so just get into the rut and stay in 4 low. 4 low, low gear, and just let the tranny do its work.
Next.
One down, next one.
And you're gonna need a second Jeep, man.
What's up?
You want me to come down?
You might as well pull down, yeah.
What are you thinking? One of us on each?
No, it should be good.
What, just you?
It's gonna just turn and come straight up, so yeah.
Okay.
Your driver, your passenger? Both drivers.
Oh wait, hang on. We're going back.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. It's on the channel. Sharon, hang on. Radio on that channel. Bruce is on.
Is it 4 high?
I think, yeah, it is. It's okay. Bruce said that's fine. Yeah, he's just backing it out. Oh, definitely 4 high.
Snow holding you from tipping over is a real good thing. It may have caused this, but at least it saved it. Okay, you can start turning passenger if you can.
Yep. Okay. Unhook or yeah. Yep. Okay, you wanna perfect.
And now full passenger.
Once
And
everyone.
then you'll
Oh.
be good once they pull
Okay.
forward. Oh, I guess you gotta move.
Yeah. Awesome work, Sharon. No, seriously. I'm like that was
What's that?
that was
I
good.
want to take a picture with you.
Oh yeah, sure.
I'm teaching my son to
All right, now that the Jeeps are both back on the road, we are trying to make good time to the next recovery, which is probably 20 kilometers away. We were actually, as a crow flies, pretty close to it, but this time of year, the cut across road has got some pretty sketchy spots, and if we were out pleasure wheeling, we would have done it, but if we got to that point and found out it was too hard and had to turn back, then we'd just be wasting that much more time. So doing the smart thing, heading back down, and then back up the other road to go get the other guy. So because we're trying to make it there quickly, we did not air back up. We're currently at 4 PSI, but we aren't going any faster than 8 kilometers per hour, which is the recommended speed for when you're aired down, so don't worry. All right, we got about another 20 minutes of road driving to do, so I will see you there like that. And boom, just like that, we're back on the next Forest Service road. Oh, there they are. They're just on the main road.
Hey guys. All right. Okay, you're singled on. Slow. Okay, slow go. I think the next one he'll have you. Just like that, that's perfect. Okay, go. There we go. All right. Yank 'em ropes. 10% discount if you use this length.
What's the weight?
Yeah, we're just gonna go back down. What do you think would be the best?
Probably where you guys go. We're gonna go down too.
Okay. So if you want to just pull up here, let them go down. Turn around basically right here. So I would just pull off right there.
No problem.
Yeah. Well, that one was actually just on the main road and it was very easy. A couple little tugs with the yankum and popped out no problem. So that's kind of a nice surprise.